Drawing a straight line, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we simplify English for all of you. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might seem simple but is fundamental in both the English language and in various aspects of our lives. Draw a straight line. Understanding this can help you not only in language learning but also in understanding instructions and expressing ideas clearly. The phrase, draw a straight line, involves two key components: draw and straight line. To draw means to produce a picture or diagram by making lines and marks on paper with a pencil, pen, etc. A straight line refers to the shortest distance between 2 points without any curves or bends. Together, the phrase instructs to produce a line on a surface that does not curve or bend. Straight lines are not just crucial in art or geometry. They are symbolic of order, precision, and clarity. In English, telling someone to draw a straight line can also metaphorically mean to take the most direct or clear approach to a problem or task. Understanding this phrase helps in various scenarios, from following physical instructions to deciphering metaphorical language. Knowing how to draw a straight line is useful in many practical situations. For example, in art, architecture, engineering, and mathematics, creating straight lines is a fundamental skill. But beyond these fields, being able to understand and use this phrase is helpful in daily life, such as when giving or following directions, explaining ideas clearly, or even setting and achieving goals in a straightforward manner. We hope this video has shed some light on the simple yet profound phrase, draw a straight line. Remember, English is full of phrases that can be taken both literally and metaphorically, and understanding these can greatly enhance your communication skills. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful videos. Keep learning, and see you next time.